So we now need to detect the collision between the ball and each brick of the game. Now right now our ball class has some collision detection between the ball itself and a paddle, which is a rectangle just like a brick. So I'd like to reuse this code, but it's best not to copy and paste it. Let's put it someplace reusable. So let's copy this. Let's create a new file. I'll call it collision detection. Now let's just export a function. And we'll need the ball and a game object. Let's go ahead and paste our code in here. So we have the bottom of the ball. We're also going to need the top of the ball. We have the top of the game object. We have the left side of the game object. And we have the right side of the object. We also need the bottom of the object. Alright, now instead of this, we need to refer to the ball. And instead of the game paddle, we need to refer to the game object itself. Alright, now let's update our if statement. If the bottom of the ball is greater than or equal to the top of object, and the top of the ball is less than or equal to the bottom of object, and the ball position x is greater than or equal to the left side of object, and the ball position x plus the ball size is less than or equal to the right side of the object, then we're going to do whatever we need to do. So instead of this, we're just going to return true. Otherwise, we'll turn false. This function is only telling us if there's a collision and not what to do with it. Now let's go back into our ball file. Let's import this function at the top. We called the function detect collision. Now down here at where we're doing our collision detection, we'll remove all of this and instead say if detect collision. I'm going to pass it the ball, which is this, and the paddle, game.paddle. Let's make sure that still works. It does. So that's a successful refactor. Now it'll be easy for us to detect collision with the bricks. Let's go into the brick class. Let's go into our update function here. First we need to import our function. Then we will just say if detect collision between the ball and the object, which is the brick itself. Let's tell the ball to reverse the y speed. Let's check that out. As you can see, it's bouncing off the bricks here at the top of our screen. Now we need to just remove the brick from the game once it's been hit. So I'm going to add a property here called marked for deletion. Once it's been hit, we will mark it true. Now our game is going to be responsible for removing these bricks from the game. So in our game's update function, we're going to update all the objects, Then we're going to filter it down to the ones that are not marked for deletion. And there we go. We have successfully made it so that the ball can bounce off the bricks and destroy them.